smiling like a cover girl. I wanna see some kids out back with 22s popping squirrels. I wanna see some young guns going out on a duck hunt, and lesser of this flappy bird and acting like a lazy bum. These trends got it twisted and they make country a petty style. Now where's all my country folks that actually could go survive? When that stock market crashes, I'll be somewhere deep off in these pines, killing shit, kicking ass, and taking what the hell is mine. From a loudmouth in the parking lot, life wounds in my back from so-called friends that tend to lie. There's snakes up in the grass, but Bubba, shit, I'm used to walking tall. And if I feel you talking shit, won't second guess the jacket jaw. Today the world we live in, realness tends to wash and fade away. That's why if you ain't walking shit, then I don't care for shit you say. I met the folks I idolize, and so far there's some white-ass lies, just country faking good disguise. Now tell me how that tends to fly. I'm on my southern pride twang, baby, come and roll with me. Backwoods as it gets, and not the shit that you see on TV. I'm talking Chevy C10, kicking up some brown rocks, 30-06 with a seat of stained wood stock. Another dirty boy singing 30 songs. We country boys doing country all wrong. You need another haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing back and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior. How about y'all? Can I get a I stay coming in like a rock, so they be calling me the Scottsdale. Cornbread fed, and you know I'm raising plenty head. I'm turned up like some honkies at a kegger party at a hotel, and I'm breaking down these barriers like drywall that needs repair. I'm cold with my shit, boy. I'm cold with my style, boy. That backwoods, that hick town, that late night, that driving round. That George Strait crank real loud, got lightning bugs on my windshield. That back road, no cops found, and I'm sipping on that hot brown. I wreck shit, my motto. Got rednecks by the truckload. That smell good, stay sprayed on. I hit downtown and take girls home. That bonfire, light that up. Homegrown shit, roll one. I got a gun rack in my back glass and a big gun, it holds one. Another dirty boy singing 30 songs. We country boys doing country all wrong. You need another haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing back and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior. How about y'all? Can I get a outlaw? Deep beneath the fallen leaves, the old tin roofs and the dead swamp trees, the sound of red bones rattling chains, rebel flags by the dozen doing a truck bed dance. That firewater dripping in a couple glass jugs, double barrel shotgun full of them slugs. Got scars on the knuckles, come get you some. There ain't no mistaking where we all come from. We from the country, the hollows and hills. If you wanna drop chains, come snatch my gears. In the country, where we all down the road. Don't start no shit on my one lane road. In the country, oh, 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 in the country. Yeah! Hillbilly deluxe, stick chicks with big butts. Came up blocks 250 with the growed out nuts. Gun racks, big guns, roughnecks, sunburned. Make a city boy say, Bubba, we don't want none. Damn right you don't want it, cause we come by the pack. Square body Chevys and some white boys with some tats. I got a pistol like the one from Dirty Harry, you know. No permit, but I still pack it everywhere that I go. So watch me stomp in the dust and square dance on the game. Jam out the Chattahoochee while I sip on my drink. So here's my fucking middle finger, you can give it the fame. Hollywood ain't for me, if you know what I'm saying. We from the country, the hollows and hills. If you wanna drop chains, come snatch my gears. In the country, where we all down the road. Don't start no shit on my one lane road. In the country, oh, 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 in the country. Oh yeah!
Bunch of redneck, rough face, hard looking ass. Came from the wrong side of the motherfucking tracks. That's no lie, Bubba, that's a way of life. Round here, got a problem that we fucking scrap. Hillbillies on the front porch pumping our shit. Old cars in the front yard needing to be fixed. Old dog chained to a big tree in the back. Talk shit if you want, he was trained to attack. I was raised the same way by my grandfather around the way. Taught me how to use a gun, aim, bang, bang. Got that barrel smoking, leave you up and you just hoping you don't die. Don't approach him, you'll be choking from the smoke and bullets fly. But I'd rather be calm like the leaves in the fall. Watch him change colors on the front porch with my dog. Listen up real close, I'ma say this one time. Country ain't just a state, it's my state of mind.
We from the country, the hollers and hills. If you wanna drop chains, come snatch my gear. In the country, where we all down the road. Don't start no shit on my one-lane road. In the country, oh, 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 in the country. Is any rednecks in the house?
They don't really want it, man, it must be a joke. We getting jiggy in the boonies, you can tell from the smoke, lighting the flame to this whole goddamn thing. Just crank it up louder, you can see what I'm saying, and keep an open mind. We got a class to teach, it ain't no Panama City, but more bikinis than the beach, enough hillbillies to invade a whole city. MSNBC said 12 million at least, and that's twice as many boots stomping straight on that ass, and that's twice as many trigger fingers ready to blast. I got my work clothes on, campfire cologne. We rolling deep off in this bitch, Calhoun Church.
We from the country, the hollers and hills. If you wanna drop chains, come snatch my gear. In the country.